Welcome to Marbella Lakes. Marbella Lakes is a guard-gated community. Front view of Condo. Living area is spacious. Living area also features glass sliding doors to screened lanai. Screened lanai enjoys a nice preserved view. Lanai also features tile floors and is spacious. Condo is being offered partially furnished. Kitchen features stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and custom cabinets. Breakfast nook. The kitchen also features a breakfast bar. Dining area. Guest bathroom. Master bedroom. Master bathroom features tub, shower, and dual sinks. Master bedroom also features glass sliders to outdoor balcony. Bedroom 2. Guest bathroom. Bedroom 3. Laundry room. Clubhouse. Community pool area. Children's pool. Community fitness center.